how are you? What's up? How are you all doing? So today is another vlog about the hair system, which will be answering one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is, what is the Regroom and do I need it? So basically, you do need it at the beginning. Of course you do. You need to come. I was so lucky and so fortunate that Phil came to my place when I first got the hair system 5 or 6 times, and he showed me exactly what I need to do with the hair system, how to groom it, how to fit it myself, how to clean it, how to take it off. So I was so lucky. However, when you have your hair system, all you need to do in the first, I would say 6 months to 12 months, you just need to come. I would say once a month, something like that, and see how they doing it, so you know how to do it yourself. Once you learn how to do it yourself, you can either keep coming every couple of months, or you can just keep doing it yourself. This is what I do. I do it myself all the time after I learned how to do it myself. So this is the answer of today's question. If you have any more questions about the hair system, visit healthforall.com and have a great day, guys. See you soon.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.